welcome to the Systems of Equations lesson. In this first example, we can see there are many ways you can solve a system of equations. You can use substitution and elimination. So substitution or elimination. So it doesn't matter which form you do. However, there can be situations where it can be easier or it can be more straightforward given the different scenarios. Or sometimes a problem may ask you to solve it a certain type of way. And so let's try to use substitution in this first problem. I know you can also use elimination, but let's try substitution. So substitution, we can do x, we can do y. So x is already in its place. It doesn't have any neighbors. So we can kind of set that equal sign to x is equal to 2y minus 4. And so with that, we know the x value. So basically, we want to just plug that in and solve for y. So 2y minus 4 plus 3y, 3y equals 12. Distribute that value, so 4y minus 8 plus 3y is equal to 12. And then now you can combine like terms. 7y is equal to 20. And so y is equal to 20 over 7. So now you can go back and find x. You can use any particular equation to solve. And so what I'll do is I'll do the one here. I can use this equation. So x is equal to 2 times 20 over 7 minus 4. So it's 40 over 7 minus 28 over 7, which is going to be 2, and then 1 over 7, so x is 12 over 7. So to check this, I can do 12 over 7 plus 3. My y value is 20 over 7, and so I'm equaling 12. So that's going to be 24 over 7 plus 60 over 7. I get 84 over 7, and so I get 12. So 12 times 7 is 84, and so that first one is correct. In the second problem, we can see that 4x minus 5y equals 7, and 3x plus 2y equals 11. So let's try elimination with this one. There isn't really a clear-cut way on which one you can eliminate. It doesn't really matter. However, I would choose, and honestly, they're pretty much the same. No matter what you do, even if the y's, you would times by 2, times by 5. I'll make it easy, and I like times 2 and 5. It just makes more sense. So I'll do 2 here, and then I'll do negative 5 on this side. So you want to be able to cancel out the y. Oh, no, sorry. Let me do 5 here so that I can get negative 10y. My goal is negative 10y and 10y so that they cancel, and then I can solve for x. So make sure you carry that 5 and 2 all the way to the product or the sum, right? So 7 and 11, they need to be multiplied as well. So in this case, we get 8x minus 10y is equal to 14, and then 15x plus 10y is equal to 55. So now we can see there's a clear eliminated variable, and so now we can combine the rest of the terms. So in this case, it'd be 23x is equal to 9 and 6. So that would be x is equal to 3. So now that we've done that, we can now go back to our previous equations, okay? We can go back to our previous equations and solve for y. You can pick whatever equation you would like. I would want to go with 3x plus 2y is 11, or is equal to 11. So if I plug in for 3x, I get to 9 plus 2y. 2y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 1. If we truly wanted to test it, I think we already tested it, but just to show, the x was 3, so the y had to be 1, and then that would have got you to 11, because 9 plus 2 is 11. So hopefully your systems of equations is cleared up, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you.